Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to create a Hailey Bieber inspired Coachella look for you guys. As soon as I saw this look that she did a few days ago, I knew I wanted to recreate it. This is definitely very 90s with the turquoise blue under eye. So I wanted to recreate the look. I always used to do braids in my hair as well. I tried to hold the little braids together with like some dental floss because I didn't have little elastics, but they were too distracting, so I took them out. But yeah, so I went through my makeup, picked out some things that I thought I could use to recreate this look. So if you guys would like to see how I created this Hailey Bieber inspired Coachella look, then just keep watching. All right, let's get started. I'm trying to pretend I'm cool enough to actually go to Coachella. That would never happen. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the Hollywood Flawless Filter and just start off with a nice glowy base. It seems like that's definitely Hailey Bieber's vibe, is like the glowy, dewy skin look, very minimal. She always just looks effortlessly put together and just gorgeous. So put some of that on as our base. I found these earrings in my jewelry cabinet that I got like forever ago, but how cool are they? Like a leopard. For my foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild foundation. This is nice and dewy just to elevate that glowy look that we want going on. It's so funny now because I feel like influencers are coming out more and more and just being like, okay, basically we go to Coachella for the pictures. Like it used to be about the music back in the day. But now the music is kind of just like a background noise for their photo shoot. Like they're all just going there to get their pictures taken just for the aesthetic of it. I'm sure there's a ton of people that go there just for the music though, that aren't actually influencers, but just all the pictures you see, it's like they're just going there for the picture. Even when you see like some people show you behind the scenes and it's like the lineups to get into the showers and the bathrooms, like it's just, it is not the lifestyle that I would want to like partake in. That is not me. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer for a little bit of radiance under the eye. I'm not gonna do any kind of contour because I feel like Hailey's look is just a little bit more natural. She just kind of highlights her gorgeous features and just goes for that really like bare skin look, but she has makeup on, but she just, yeah, her features are just so gorgeous. She doesn't need to contour out cheekbones or any of that. I am definitely gonna go in with bronzer though, so I'm gonna go in with the Bahama Mama and get like a sun-kissed look going on. It is not sunny again. We had one sunny day and then back to doom and gloom. I'm just pressing the bronzer in. For more bronzy glow, I'm gonna go in with the Tower 28 bronzer and a little kabuki brush and just place that on my cheekbones just to give a natural glow. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Cheek Heat in Nude Burn, and I'm just going to take some on the kabuki brush as well. I'm just kind of patting it out on my hand. Just placing that on top of the cheeks, out near the outer corner. Not so much on the apples, just to get that lift and just keep the radiance right on top of the apple of the cheek. Maybe put a little on the nose. Now to start with the eye look, this is definitely what drew me in to the look. This is very 90s. I used to do this in high school all the time. So I'm gonna use the Summer in Saint-Tropez palette to get the colors that I want for this eye look. So I'm just gonna go in with Sand first, which is just a nice warm neutral, and just place that up on the brow. You could definitely just use bronzer for this as well. Just gonna go kind of all over the lid. Which kind of just had a really neutral, basic lid going on. Nothing too harsh. And I feel like I saw a little bit of iridescence there too, so I'm going to go in with one of the shimmery foiled colors as well. So I'm gonna go into Coastline just for a little bit of shimmer on the lid, just a touch. I feel like I saw a little bit of a reflection of shimmer, but nothing too extreme. And more in the middle part of my lid. I want to deepen the crease a bit, so I am going to go in with Bahama Mama and just deepen the outer corner. So just in the crease and on the outer brow bone. So she has a little bit of a wing, so I'm just going to tightline on the outer corner of my eye and also just place a little bit of eyeliner to the outer corner, and then use an angled brush and start from where I tightlined to pick up a little bit of that eyeliner and just blend it out to make a little wing. I can even go on the brush or on the pencil. like that, just a soft little wing. Now I'm going to go in with this blue eyeliner that I picked up from Essence. So it is waterproof, 18-hour plus, and it's 2 turquoise. It looked like the perfect turquoise that Hailey was wearing. So I'm going to put that in my waterline. And near the front is where you'll get the most impact. Like, because I tight lined, there's gonna be some darkness near the outer corner. I feel like actually there's iridescence in this. There is, that's cool. Now I'm gonna go in with Papillon from the eyeshadow palette and an angled brush, and I'm just gonna go underneath my lash line. This matches up perfectly with the eyeliner. I don't think she had blue mascara on her lower waterline, but I want to try it out just for fun. Just because it was inspired by her, not necessarily trying to do the exact same look, close to it. But I did want to try out some blue mascara on my lower actually I want to try this out all over my lashes, but for today we'll do the lower waterline. Or the lower lash, sorry. I hope this is not waterproof. No. If I need to wipe it off. I have super long, some super long lashes, like, so then they just look spidery. So I'm just gonna line my lips while the lower lash line dries before I do my upper lash line. And I'm just trying to lengthen my mouth a bit, just because Hailey Bieber has definitely a bigger mouth and big luscious lips. So I'm trying to bring the bow out a little further. Usually I like to just go right over this part and make my lips look more plump here, but I'm trying to make them look a little different. I'm just using Max Oak. For my lips, I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of a pinky nude. So this is Nude Cream from Milani. And her lips looked really glossy, so I'm gonna go in with Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Reef. And this has got more of a pink undertone as well. All right, this is the final look. So I applied a little bit of mascara, not too much. I find that Hailey's eyelashes are usually pretty simple, not too heavy on the mascara, not a lot of thick lash. So I just went a little bit more subtle. Yeah, I feel very Coachella, like it's a Coachella vibe. Definitely not a carbon copy, but a similar kind of look to her Coachella look. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the Hailey Bieber inspired look that I created for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.